Your state of mind determines your level of success. If you desire to build a $1 million consulting firm, you must first arrive there in your mind, and then your bank balance will follow. In this episode, I'm going to outline exactly how you are to do that. Stay tuned.
Welcome to Say Yes to Profits. Here at Say Yes to Profits, we help consultants build $1 million firms while tripling their cash flow and profits without stress, struggle, or burnout. Now, our goal is to make you smile when you log into your bank account because you have more money, more profits, and you're paying less taxes. So subscribe, follow, and listen up. And as a result, we will make it rain money in your business. Now join me on the path to say yes to profits.
Welcome everyone to season 2 of the Say Yes to Profits podcast. We are back and better than ever. I am super excited about our new season and the content we have coming up. As you can see, if you're watching us on YouTube or our website, we have a video podcast along with the audio podcast now. Now, for those of you that are not familiar with me, I am Octavia, the $1 Million Virtual CFO and CEO of Say Yes to Profits. Before we jump into today's content, go ahead and click the subscribe and follow button right now because listen, you do not want to miss one single episode. Also, this episode is brought to you by the 10X Cash Flow Virtual Lunch and Learn taking place on November 17th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. During the virtual lunch and learn, I am going to show you how to never, ever have money worries again. So to secure your space today, text 10X Cash Flow right now to 31996. That's 10X Cash Flow to 31996. Or visit 10xcashflowwithoctavia.com. So I felt the best way to kick off season 2 is to focus on your money mindset. Your mindset is the foundation on how you achieve anything you want in your business and in your life for that matter. The truth is, if you cannot see it, feel it, and believe it first, the reality of having it, whatever it may be, will be hard for you to manifest. I need you to get that right now. What you must understand about your money mindset is that it is an overriding attitude that you have about your finances. As a matter of fact, your money mindset determines and drives how you make key financial decisions every day in your business. Your money mindset has a huge impact on your ability to not only earn more money, but keep more money in your business. As a virtual CFO, I can't tell you the number of times I've witnessed business owners earning multi-six, even 7 figures, only to realize that they have no figures in their bank account. So what I want to first do is give you ways to determine if you have a money mindset problem. And then I'm going to provide you with 7 strategies to shift your $1 million money mindset today. So the first thing, if you are earning money, but you never, ever have enough money to cover all of your business expenses, you have a money mindset problem. Number 2, if you are avoiding looking at your bank balance, looking at your bills, you have a money mindset problem. Number 3, if you have hired an accountant professional, whether it is a bookkeeper, an accountant, or a virtual CFO, and you realize that after hiring that person, you no longer look at your money. You wait until you receive your month-end financial reports, you have a money mindset problem. It is not their responsibility, it's actually yours. They are to help you. And number 4, if you are struggling to cross that next money milestone, whether it be $350,000, $500,000, $1 million plus, 8 figures, no matter what that next money milestone is, if you're struggling to cross it, you have a money mindset problem. Flip side of that, A money mindset that is on the way to earning $1 million plus in business is one that has developed and follows a strategic financial plan. A person that monitors and tracks their progress consistently, and they're not afraid to ask for help and invest in services and others that know things that they are probably not aware of. And they're also aware of key performance indicators. Those are the numbers that you need to know in order to have more money and more profits in your business. So, my question to you is, do you have a money mindset that needs repair or one that is on the way to earning $1 million plus? What I want you to understand is that if you notice that you have a money mindset that needs repair, it's totally okay. You have to crawl before you walk. And today is the day that you work on building a mindset that will earn $1 million plus in your business. I once heard someone say that 80% of your success is contributed to your mindset, and 20%, just 20%, is contributed to business strategies. So you see how your mindset is highly, highly important. Let me know your thoughts on your money mindset in the comments right now. Now let's shift this a little bit. Let's talk about the 7 strategies you can implement today to improve your money mindset and build $1 million plus firm. Number 1, improve your money relationship. Prioritize money. Here's what you do. Pick a specific day each week to review and forecast your firm's cash position, and then celebrate your money wins. If you signed a new client, if you paid down debt, if you increased your profits, if you increased your prices, celebrate those things. And then recognize the difference between your wants and your needs. For example, you may need marketing support, assistance, and services, but you may not need that $10,000 PR agent. And then I want you to focus on changing your money script. Watch what you say and watch your thoughts around money. Your thoughts and your words will determine your money life. Those are all in number 1, improving your money relationship. Number 2, give yourself permission to be a $1 million business owner. Here's what I want you to do. Give yourself permission right now to shift from earning 6 figures a year to earning 6 figures a month. Hello, that's massive success. So here's what you need to do. I want you to say right now, I give myself, and say your name, permission to earn X amount of dollars in my business. Fill in the blank and leave your permission statement in the comments. Number 3, give money direction. If you do not tell money what to do, it will tell you what to do. Perfect example. You sign that new client and you're ready to celebrate. Then you realize you lowered your prices just to sign that new client. Now you have a new client and you're still not making enough money. But on the flip side of that, if you were aware of your money and you've been monitoring your money consistently, you've priced your services for profit, you signed that new client based on the value you bring to the table and not because you need that next dollar. So give money direction. And when you tell money what to do, it will work for you instead of you always working like a Hebrew slave for that next dollar. Number 4, forgive your past money mistakes. Listen, we have all fallen short on what we are supposed to do concerning money. Forgive what you've done, learn from your mistakes, and move forward. I can give you some stories about money mistakes that would put you to shame, okay? And I am an accountant. So forgive everything that you've done. None of that matters. What matters is what you do from this day forward. Number 5, study wealthy business owners. Commit to reading 1 hour per week on money, finances, and business. Here's what you need to understand. Millionaires spend 8.4 hours on average per month managing, planning, and monitoring their money. How many hours per month are you spending managing, planning, and monitoring your money. Now, I want to give you a couple of books that you can read that will help you focus on your money mindset. Number one, The Secrets of a Millionaire Mind. This book, it is amazing. I've read it several times, and as you can see, I have my little sticky notes that helps me go back and look at it over and over again. Number two, I cannot go on without saying Say Yes to Profits Now. In this book, shameless plug, yes, I did it. I break down your money mindset, what your money needs to be, and what your profits should be. Read this book because it will help you shift your money mindset. Number six, make a non-negotiable money decisions. Establish a demand right now, today, on how much money you will earn and keep in your business. Set an expiration date for when you will achieve this. Then 10x your work ethic so that you get there faster, smarter, and you remain there consistently. Listen, this is called a non-negotiable decision because it is a decision, a declaration that you're making with yourself. So don't let yourself down. And number seven, write your money goals and affirmations every day. Remember, you want to feel your emotions. You want to see yourself achieving this. The best way to exceed your goals is to write them down every single day. Here's what I do. I have my journal. Every day before I start working, I write down my goals. And I say something like, I am easily and effortlessly doing ... You can do the same thing. And then I spend a few minutes feeling that emotion, feeling myself achieving that, and then I'm off to doing whatever I need to do. And I realized when I first started doing this that I start to achieve my money goals faster and faster and faster. So this is something I want you to do as well. So take time implementing the 7 strategies that I just provided you. Also, understand that your money mindset work is not a one and done type of thing. This is something you work on every day. Your cash balance should continue to increase. You should always have more money entering than exiting your business, no matter what is going on in your business. Now, if you log into your bank account right now and you feel like, keep working. You have to crawl before you walk. Implement the 7 strategies that I've provided you. Also, register for the 10x cash flow virtual lunch and learn with me, where I will provide you even more strategies that you can implement immediately to 10x the cash flow in your business. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave those below. This is Octavia, your $1 Million Virtual CFO. If you would like to chat with me regarding virtual CFO services, visit Octavia CFO Chat today. Until next time, say yes to profits.